Hello and welcome to Government with Dr. Turner. Today we're going to discuss the individual's right to privacy. The right to privacy is not spelled out in the Constitution, but it is compatible with the founders' goal to establish a limited government. Many people argue that the right to privacy is implied by the other protections in the Bill of Rights. The court first tackled the issue of privacy in 1965. In the Griswold v. Connecticut case, the Supreme Court formulated the right to privacy based on several parts of the Bill of Rights. The Supreme Court's conclusion that the right to privacy is protected by the Constitution involves inferences from several amendments. The Supreme Court's ruling in Griswold v. Connecticut is significant because it opened the door for a variety of claims regarding the right to privacy. The right to privacy was crucial in the Roe v. Wade decision that legalized abortion under certain circumstances. The right to privacy includes a right to abortion during the first trimester of pregnancy. During the second trimester, the state can regulate abortion. The state's interest becomes more compelling in the third trimester. The battle for abortion and reproductive rights has been fought for the last 50 years in state legislatures, the courts, and even the presidency. Some on the far right of the political spectrum reject the right to privacy outright. Currently, the key phrase used by the courts when deciding abortion cases is that the state must not place an undue burden on the mother. The right to privacy is also central to the issue of gay rights. The Supreme Court has most recently ruled that what happens between consenting adults is protected by the right to privacy. The precedent set by the Bowers v. Hardwick 1986 decision was overturned by the Supreme Court in a later case called Lawrence v. Texas 2003. The Supreme Court has ruled that the right to refuse medical life support is a matter for individuals to decide for themselves. The Supreme Court ruled that when a patient makes clear his or her wish to terminate medical treatment through a living will, that right is protected by the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause. 5 states now allow physician-assisted suicide. Many other states, including Texas, explicitly criminalize assisted suicide. Let's review. The right to privacy is not spelled out in the Constitution, but is implied by the other protections in the Bill of Rights. The right to privacy is crucial to reproductive rights, gay rights, and the right to die.